When a parent pays you through the platform, mobile money, card, whichever processor, Tabsera takes a commission on that payment. It is worth being precise about the scope. This is charged on money collected through the platform, and not on cash handed over at your front desk. This page exists so the number is never a surprise, and the same rates are written into your center agreement. Rates are set per processor, because they genuinely differ. A mobile money rail and a card rail do not cost the same to run. Each row shows the rate and whether it is a platform default or one negotiated for you specifically. A processor you do not offer is marked as such and charges nothing, because nothing goes through it. Rather than leave you to do the arithmetic, the page does it. Put in a payment amount, choose the processor, and it shows the commission and what you actually keep. Try it with a full terms fee for one child. That is the number that matters to a bursar, and it is more useful than a percentage. Nothing here is off ledger. Every commission is posted twice, as an expense in your accounts, against a bank charges account, and as revenue in Tabsera's. Your profit and loss shows the commission you paid this month as a line you can point at, and it reconciles against this page exactly. And the running total, collected, commission, net to you. This is the figure to read before deciding which processors to offer parents at all. If one rail is materially cheaper for you, that is a decision you can now make with a number in front of you. Read the rate before you choose which processors to offer. It is in your agreement, it is on this page, and it is on every payment in your ledger.